Seems today was the calm before the storm.
Well, we did have some cloud, but it's nothing compared to what we're going to have by the weekend. Today we did get to a top of 17 degrees. Nothing too much of a surprise with the overnight lows. We did have cool conditions in the Snowies, including Bombala, with minus 1.7 degrees. The maximums were also close to average. The highest was recorded at Delta with 21 degrees, and Walgett and Narrabri weren't too far behind. Now, the cloud band is stretching from the Kimberley right through the Territory and into Queensland. And we can see on the synoptic just how heavy this rain is going to be. We've got warm air that's feeding into the low pressure systems. And then we have this dominant high, and this is going to be cradling and essentially restricting the movement of the trough. So that means that the rains are going to be heavy and also prolonged. Now, around the nation, heavy rain for Brisbane, cloudy in Adelaide, and also sunny conditions for Perth. We didn't have too much in the gauges today, just over 3 mils at Berrydale, but tomorrow a different story. We'll see that rain intensify, and then we'll see the strongest falls on Sunday, and we could see more than a month's rain in a day. So that could be more than 96.8 mils for Sydney. In the north tomorrow, cloudy conditions. There will be rain throughout, but the temperatures will be reaching the high teens. On the waters, winds up to 15 knots, seas at a metre. As we move further south, cloudy conditions, showers and temperatures in the mid-teens. On the waters, winds up to 30 knots and seas up to 2 metres, and there's also a strong wind warning for the Illawarra coast. Further inland, showers developing, clear in the west. The temperatures will be in the mid-teens. On Sydney waters, winds up to 25 knots, seas at 1.5 metres. Now, there has also been an initial flood watch. That is for parts of the mid-north coast right down to the Illawarra. There are several catchments likely to be affected, and there are also concerns that the water storages are nearing capacity. Now, looking to tomorrow, we'll have showers throughout. Now, the Bureau is expecting between 8 and 15 millimetres in the gauges. In terms of the temperatures, we're likely to have 17 degrees in the city and 16 degrees in the west, and sunrise coming up at 7 o'clock tomorrow. Now, as we look to the week ahead, we're going to see rain all across the board. Now, by the time we get to Saturday, those falls will have become heavy, and we are expecting between 40 and 60 millimetres in the gauges, and then more so on Sunday. Some of the models are predicting up to 100 millimetres. Then it will gradually ease, but we won't see those single digits in the gauges until later next week. Kirsten.
Thanks, Lara.